Hi, this is Sonny with V Hills Handyman Services. Cleaning out a drain here. There's a kid's ball stuck in here. Trying to get it out. I can't poke it with this screwdriver. It's pretty hard to get out. Pretty gross, as you can see. If you don't like getting dirty, you can call V Hills Handyman Service. We do all types of plumbing. If you need a washer hook up, you don't have the copper pipes, call me and I can put new pipes for you. So here we go. A kid's ball. Pretty gross. I got 4 drains here to clean at this apartment complex for Alpine Residential. I've been working for him almost 3 years now. Like I said, if you need any kind of plumbing, I appreciate it if you can get V Hills Handyman Services a call. I've been in business since 1990. Do all kinds of things for you, like electrical, welding, build your wrought iron gate, paint your house, the inside of your house. So if you'd like to contact me, you can contact me at 720-422-7174. I work here in Denver, Colorado. I do all surrounding areas: Lakewood, Nevada, Thornton, Littleton, Glendale, Aurora, Arvada, you name it. Just give me a call and I'll see what I can do for you. I appreciate you taking the time to visit me while I clean out this drain here. I got 4 to do, so I just thought I'd make a short video about the plumbing part of my business. So I appreciate you taking the time visiting VHillsHandymanServices.com. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.